Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Python programming language. To begin, install Python and a reliable code editor like VS Code on your computer. Familiarize yourself with fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, and basic operations. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, is crucial for building a strong foundation and reinforcing your understanding of the language. Next, dive into control flow statements like if-else conditions and various loops to manage program execution. Grasp the concepts of functions for code reusability and object-oriented programming for structuring larger applications. Actively solve coding challenges on platforms such as LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your problem-solving skills and apply what you've learned. As you progress, dedicate time to understanding common data structures and algorithms, which are vital for efficient programming. Start building your own small projects, like a simple calculator or a to-do list application, to apply your knowledge practically. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. Learning Python is an ongoing journey. Join online communities and forums to connect with other programmers, ask questions, and share your insights. Regularly read official Python documentation and reputable programming books to deepen your understanding and stay updated with new features. Remember to check the description below for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals. Continuous learning and active engagement are key to becoming a proficient Python developer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.